Yes,
Can you
sir. Yes,
understand
you
my
can move, sir.
presentation? Sir, please. Sir, please.
Yes, yes, sir. You can move next phase, sir.
Okay,
We'll
sir.
continue session.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. So, already a lot of time I told you that understanding the problem is important. Understanding the problem is important. How do I understand the problem? Yes, for understanding the problem, we should aware about learning, listening, observing, dialoguing, and reading. I can explain introduction about understanding the problem before understanding what is design thinking. I want to give again brief introduction. Yes, design thinking is a user-centered approach or human-centered approach which follows the iterative process. It started from empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and finally it moves to test. And also another step is also available nowadays, which is refine. So design thinking is a human-centered problem-solving process that involves understanding users, challenging assumptions, and creating innovative solutions. Why is understanding the problem important? Yes, already told you about understanding the problem. Why understanding the problem is important? Yes, from the understanding problem, we can give the efficient solutions than random solutions. So, a clear understanding of the problem allows you to brainstorm targeted solutions that directly address the challenges. This avoids unnecessary features or rough workarounds. So it develop efficient solutions through understanding of the problem. Then it may give, if I understand the problem means I can give the better outcomes than random outcomes. How I can give the better outcome? By precisely pinpointing the problem, you can tailor solution to achieve the desired results. This increases the likelihood of a successful resolution. From this, we can give the efficient solutions and better outcomes. And if I not means if you don't grasp the root cause of the problem, you might implement solutions that address symptoms but not the underlying issues. This can lead to wasted time, resources, or frustration. So, random understanding of problem gives the random solution. Random solutions you wasted your time, resources, and frustrations. So, first step in design thinking is understanding the problem or understanding our user. When I move to understand my user means or understanding my user problem means I can give the better solution to them. So, when you understand the root cause of a problem, you can take steps to prevent it from the recurring in the future. So, in that learning is the first step. When I want to understand the problem means I learn the problem, which is the first step. Continuous learning fuels design thinking. So stay updated on trends, technologies, and user needs. So when I use my pen, I understand the previously available pen, previously available users, then only what is the problem available with my pen, likewise I may understand. So stay updated on trends, technology, and user needs. Learn through online courses, workshops, and conferences. Yes, nowadays lot of online courses are introduced. Now my website also has lot of online courses. Through that we can learn the thing and read design blogs and articles. Through that we can improve our problem understanding process through learning and listening. Here, what is listening? What is the difference between learning and listening? If I read, I may learn. What is listening? Actively listen to uncover needs and the pain points. Yes, listening means I may use my ears. Here, from the ears, I may hear the problem. When I hear the problem, yes, I may conduct the user interviews and focus on groups. So I may split the students it into the groups, and we can collect hear the problem from them. So that we can understand the common problem from them, we can give the better solutions to them. Then engage in casual conversations with the target audience. Our target audience is students means we can give, you can always engage with them conversations and pay attention to what people say and also don't say. You both the thing you concentrated. So from this we can listen the problems. Learning is not enough, we can listening the problem also important. Then observation, the learning listening is different from observation. How? Yes, go beyond listening, observe user behavior. Here attitude is important. Yes, how users interact with the existing products. For example, how you are giving the new pen to students means how they use that pen. So user interaction is also needed with the existing product also. Identify challenges and frustrations through body language. You understand from them their body language for their writing scenario. And then techniques. What are all the techniques? Yes, user shadowing, ethnography studies, people watching. You deeply analyze the student performance. You are giving as a new pen to them. How you observe that thing. So observation is also important. When you are giving the new product to them, how they are reacted with that product, which is also important. Then dialogue, which is a step is available with the understanding the problem. Yes, collaboration and open communication are the key. The procedure for dialogue is engage in dialogue with the team members, stakeholders and the user, and ask open-ended questions and share ideas actively. So continuously you ask the questions. Question only open their minds. So ask the questions and listen to different perspectives to gain a holistic view. Here you see the elephant is standing, but every part is shows looking like a different manner of every man. So every student has different perspective. There are learning process. So you observe the thing is important. You listen, observe and dialogue with them. These are all the important thing for grasping the problem from them. And reading, finally we may go to reading. Yes, learn from others and read and research. Yes, explore design thinking books, articles and case studies. This presentation is not enough. You may refer the for the books, you refer the books through library or online resources, and my website also has some resources. You may utilize that and gain insights from successful design projects and discover new methodologies and design approaches. These are all the things you can read from books and transfer the same thing to students. Then conclude my this session with how do I employ these techniques. Yes, you can develop a deep understanding of the problem. Now you may aware about how do I understand the problem through learning, listening, observing, dialoguing and reading. Yes, what I said. Yes, develop a deep understanding of the problem, generate creative solutions for your target audience, ultimately design solutions that are user centered and successful. From this session, you may start your design thinking channel today itself. So, understanding the problem with the sticky notes. You may please, having the doubt, please ask me. I can explain one case study. How do I understand the problem? Yes, I may develop the product with my students. I'm getting the innovation patent grant from international patent office. So I made adjustable sugar can cutting machine with the artificial intelligence, which is the product name. Here you see my products on the land, which is artificial intelligent assistant machines. It harvested the sugar cans, but before I make the product, I follow some steps, which is first I wrote the central problem statement on sticky note. In yellow color large sticky note I utilized. In that I wrote like improve the efficiency of sugarcane harvesting, reduce downtime and maintenance cost of sugarcane harvesters, minimize sugarcane loss during the harvesting process. I collected these problems from the farmers. Here in my village, I'm in my city, there are a lot of sugarcane farms available and sugarcane industries also available. I collected these problems from industry and farmers. So I wrote the problem on the larger yellow sticky notes. After central problem statement, I collected the symptoms of that problem. What are all the symptoms available with that problem? I may write on the red sticky note. Yes, First problem I collected from the farmers are slow harvesting speed. After that, the frequent breakdowns or malfunctions are occurred with the previously available harvester. Through that, the maintenance cost also improved, and also high fuel consumption is available with their previously available product. So difficulty harvesting laid down or tangled can. When they are harvested, it falls down, which is also one of the hurdle during the harvesting machine, traditional harvesting machine. Yes, and also it damages the sugar cane stalks during harvesting. So these are all the problems as a symptoms highlighted by the farmers. So here I identify the problem and understand the problem. Yes, slow harvesting speed. What I understand that yes, inefficient cutting mechanism. I understand the problem. Yes, high fuel consumption. From that I understand inefficient cutting mechanisms. Inaccurate sensor technology consumes lot of fuel, and difficulty harvesting laid down or tangled can. Inefficient cutting mechanism, inaccurate sensor technology creates a difficulty in harvesting, and damages can stalks. Yes, inefficient cutting mechanism only damages the sugar cane stalks, and increased downtime. Poor machine maintenance schedules may affect the sugar cane harvester. Yes, now these are all the symptoms are developed by previously available machines. Likewise, I may analyze the problem to understand and also understand the problem through sticky notes. After identifying the symptoms, I may go for root cause analysis. In that, underlying causes on that. Yes, inefficient machine design, because in previous sticky notes I got like inefficient cutting mechanism. So inefficient machine design is available, and outdated technology is available with previously available machines, and poor machine maintenance is available. Yes, unfavorable cutting conditions. When wet soil is available, machine is difficult to enter. So these are all the underlying causes of the problem. Yes, and then lack of skilled operators. When I introduce the driver to that machine means they operate the machine is improperly. So that because of lack of skills, the machine operation is affected, and the maintenance cost is also improved, and sugarcane stalks is affected. So then automatically move to stakeholders affected. Here also I may conduct some sticky note analysis. Here I used orange color sticky notes. In that I may identify my stakeholders, which is first stakeholder is farmers affected by increased cost and lower yields, and then factory workers, because nearby lot of sugarcane industry is available. So the supplier chain distribution is the biggest problem to them. And consumer sugar prices, when the harvesting prices increases and the farming prices increases, automatically sugar price also increases, so consumer got the problem. And inefficient machine design, which is collected from farmers. So these are all the stakeholders pinpoints on pain points on their uh, sugar previously available machines. Then user needs and perspectives, if focusing on operator experience. For the reason I may place green color sticky note. Operator fatigue from long hours, and difficulty controlling the machine in uneven terrain. So lot of hills and valleys available with the farm, so the difficulty is available with the previously available machines. And the safety concern during operation, because lot of sugarcane stalks got damaged due to the improper movement of machine, improper mechanism of the machine, the stalks are affected, so safety is affected. Not only this, the analysis is completed, so I again go to revisit the central problem statement. Does it accurately reflect the root cause? What I conducted the root cause analysis with the uh, blue color sticky note, orange color sticky note. I furtherly conducted the analysis with the red color symptom sticky note. Does it accurately reflect the root cause after considering all aspects? Write down any questions and on additionally sticky notes. Yes, I can identify the newly affected problem, which are, can automation improve the efficiency? This question gave the solution to them. Are there new machine designs and that addresses specific challenges? Likewise, I may write the problems again. From that, I can improve the already available machine. For the reason, from that I can develop the new sugarcane cutting machine with the assistance of artificial intelligence. I may conduct the test with the farmers also. After identifying the machine, I may give it into the farmers, and the farmers tested with their field, and they gave me the feedback as like the terrain problem is solved, the maintenance problem is solved, sugarcane stalks damage problem is solved. Likewise, they are giving me a feedback. After collecting the feedback, now this product is converted it into the industrial product. Now I may collected the funding from Indian government to startup to develop the startup as a Bharat Can Industries Private Limited, and then we receive the innovation patent from International Patent Office. These are all the benefits are available with the problem understanding of problem previously available product problem. We can develop the new product and we can achieve the market solutions. In our classroom, how do we conduct the activities? You may use the materials as a whiteboard. You may give the whiteboard to them for problem statement analysis. You may give the instructions to them. Present the problem statement clearly. The sugarcane machine is the biggest problem. After telling the problem, you may divide the students into small groups, 2 to 3 students, and instruct them each group to analyze the problem statement. Use the following prompts. Yes, the how do define the problem, understand the problem, how do you define the problem, empathize the problem, after that ideate the problem, after that develop the prototype as the low fidelity model, test the problem, and finalize with the higher fidelity model. After developing the prototype, they are testing with the breakout rooms. Have each group share their key findings with the larger group. Individually, they are analyzing the problem. Individually, develop the solution. After developing the solution, they are discussing with each other and develop the final one solution. Use the shared document or whiteboard to capture the collective analysis. Now, critical thinking prompts you may use. The critical thinking means n number of students are available, n number of students are giving the n number of solutions. So the critical thinking is plays vital of every student. So you may give the time to facilitate a discussion using the following prompts. Encourage the critical thinking. Now I may give you one problem statement, I mean give the link, you may fill. I may give you the 10 to 15 minutes, you complete that. After that I move to next presentation. I may give this link, problem link it into the chat box. You may solve, you may fill this form. After filling this form, I may move to next step. Yes, I believe all the faculty members, please answer me. Have you got the link, dear participants? Any one of the participants, please tell me. Yes, please. I may give the 10 minutes break. You fill all the contents. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your feedback. Please submit your response. I may give you 10 minutes. You fill the form and submit it to me.